I was very suspicious of their relationship at first. My sister Minnie and her fiancé Harry were in love, however, I didn't believe it. This morning, I got a letter saying that I was invited to stay this summer with them in Chicago. I was so excited to see my sister again, and was ecstatic to be able to tour Chicago and experience the World's Fair. Once arriving in Chicago, I was completely overwhelmed with the massive buildings and being able to see my sister again. Minnie then introduced me to Henry Gordon, however I call him Harry. He wasn't what I expected him to be. He gave off a warm and charming personality and spoke very softly. My suspicions quickly went away when I saw the affection he had for Minnie. During the time I was visiting, we got to explore all of Chicago. We decided to spend a few days at the World Fair, which amazed me. I didn't quite understand how big the buildings would be until I was standing next to them in real life. A couple days later, we spent the entire day at Midway. This was Minnie and I's favorite place, as they had belly dancers, camels, and a balloon that would carry passengers in the sky. I had grown a liking to Harry, and today he surprised Minnie and I by saying we will take a trip to Maine, New York, sail to Germany, and also stop at London and Paris. We were thrilled to travel, so I ordered my trunk to be shipped to me immediately. Harry also mentioned that he will take me to his World's Fair hotel in the morning. As we went to the World's Fair hotel, Harry showed me the drugstore, restaurant, and barbershop. He ended the tour in his office, where Harry started going through different papers. After a while, he asked if I would retrieve a document in the room opposite his office, the walk-in vault. Just as I walked in to grab the document, the door had shut behind me. I pounded on it a few times, hoping Harry would come to open it. I kept banging on the door and eventually started to use my shoe to bang on it. I assumed Harry was just somewhere else in the building and would come back soon. I panicked, and the last thought I could remember was Minnie as the gas filled the room.